I'm Sanjeev Varshney. I work for Department of Science and Technology as head of the International Cooperation Division. I participated in this event at GLA University, and I was really enthused to see the participation of young researchers, master's students, and that makes a workshop a real good thing. Being hybrid, we could attract some of the participants from different stations and including overseas, so making the workshop more purposeful and successful. So all the good wishes to the university. Thank you.
I am Dr. Debdatta Ratna from Naval Materials Research Laboratory. I am heading the Polymer Science and Technology Directorate of the laboratory. I attended the first time in the conference and GLA University. The topic was very broad, the materials and the mechanical aspects, so that all the students can, that's what I was mentioning there also. But GLA University, since there is a lot of different disciplines are there, so since it was like materials and mechanical engineering were there, so it will be very useful for this thing. And also in this conference will again fosters and reinforce the interdisciplinary type of research. I wish all the best for the GLA University.